Welcome to English Practice Everyday. In today's preposition practice video, we will understand how the preposition after is used in various contexts to indicate sequence, time, pursuit, and other relationships between events or actions in a sentence. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me. 1. Preposition after indicating sequence is used to suggest something happening following another event. Preposition after is used to suggest something happening following another event. They moved to Canada after the war. They moved to Canada after the war. I always wash the dishes after dinner. I always wash the dishes after dinner. The show will start after the intermission. The show will start after the intermission. Ben went to bed after finishing his homework. Ben went to bed after finishing his homework. Jim became famous after the publication of his book. Jim became famous after the publication of his book. 2. Preposition after indicating time is used to refer to a tentative point in time. Preposition after is used to refer to a tentative point in time. Liz called me after midnight. Liz called me after midnight. The alarm rings after sunrise. The alarm rings after sunrise. The concert begins after sunset. The concert begins after sunset. They arrive at the office after noon. They arrive at the office after noon. The package will arrive after lunch hour. The package will arrive after lunch hour. 3. Preposition after indicating proximity in time is used to indicate a short duration of time following another event. Preposition after is used to indicate a short duration of time following another event. Dog fell asleep after a few minutes. Dog fell asleep after a few minutes. I'll be there right after I finish this task. I'll be there right after I finish this task. They left the party shortly after arriving. They left the party shortly after arriving. The alarm went off just after we left the house. The alarm went off just after we left the house. Mom called me immediately after she got the news. Mom called me immediately after she got the news. 4. Preposition after indicating pursuit or chase is used to describe chasing or pursuing to catch or capture. Preposition after is used to describe chasing or pursuing to catch or capture. The dog is after the rabbit. The dog is after the rabbit. They are after the treasure. They are after the treasure. The police are after the thief. The police are after the thief. Beth is after her runaway horse. Beth is after her runaway horse. They are after the escaped prisoner. They are after the escaped prisoner. 5. Preposition after indicating resemblance or imitation is used to describe something similar to or imitative of another. Preposition after is used to describe something similar to or imitative of another. David takes after his father in looks. David takes after his father in looks. This design is after the latest trends. This design is after the latest trends. The play is after Shakespeare's style. The play is after Shakespeare's style. The artist modeled her work after Picasso's style. The artist modeled her work after Picasso's style. Julia is always after her older sister, trying to be like her. Julia is always after her older sister, trying to be like her. Six. Preposition after indicating consequence or result is used to show what happens as a result of something else. Preposition after is used to show what happens as a result of something else. I felt dizzy after spinning around. I felt dizzy after spinning around. The room was messy after the party. The room was messy after the party. The ground was muddy after the rain. The ground was muddy after the rain. They were exhausted after hiking all day. They were exhausted after hiking all day. The car needed repairs after the accident. The car needed repairs after the accident. 7. Preposition after indicating preference or inclination is used to express preference or inclination towards something. Preposition after is used to express preference or inclination towards something. The children are after sweets. The children are after sweets. Sophie is always after adventure. Sophie is always after adventure. Lisa is after a career in medicine. Lisa is after a career in medicine. Mark is after a job in tech industry. Mark is after a job in tech industry. They are after a quiet life in the countryside. They are after a quiet life in the countryside. 8. Preposition after indicating determined pursuit of a goal is used to express pursuing a goal or aim. Preposition after is used to express pursuing a goal or aim. The team is after victory. The team is after victory. Mary is after a promotion. Mary is after a promotion. Romeo is after Juliet's heart. Romeo is after Juliet's heart. We are after fluency in English. We are after fluency in English. Steve is after success at any cost. Steve is after success at any cost. 9. Preposition after indicating following a model, reference, or pattern is used to show a reference point or following a pattern. Preposition after is used to show a reference point or following a pattern. Lucy styled her hair after a celebrity. Lucy styled her hair after a celebrity. James patterned his behavior after his mentor. James patterned his behavior after his mentor. The design is modeled after ancient architecture. The design is modeled after ancient architecture. We structured the company after successful startups. We structured the company after successful startups. The student modeled her project after previous winners. The student modeled her project after previous winners. Ten. Preposition after indicating search for information is used to express searching for information or investigation. Preposition after is used to express searching for information or investigation. Anna is after the missing keys. Anna is after the missing keys. The journalists are after a scoop. The journalists are after a scoop. The detectives are after the criminal. The detectives are after the criminal. They are after a new apartment in the city. They are after a new apartment in the city. The researchers are after the cure for cancer. The researchers are after the cure for cancer. 11. Preposition after indicating hierarchy or order is used to indicate rank, position, or order. Preposition after is used to indicate rank, position, or order. I'm next in line after the manager. I'm next in line after the manager. Zoe left her house after her parents. Zoe left her house after her parents. Jean is after Mary in the list of candidates. Jean is after Mary in the list of candidates. Matt is second in command after the captain. Matt is second in command after the captain. Sam is after the president in the organizational structure. Sam is after the president in the organizational structure. That's all for this preposition practice session. Please keep practicing accurate use of the preposition after in your daily life. In our next video, we will pick up another preposition to learn and master. Bye for now.